What's up everybody, it's Meredith Shirk with Svelte Training and I have an awesome recipe for you today. It's all about banana chips. These are gonna be anti-inflammatory banana chips, an amazing, simple, and delicious recipe, so let's get into it. Today, we only have a few ingredients. One being bananas, because it is banana chips. Two being turmeric, however you wanna say it. I like to just have it as the golden spice. We're gonna be using cinnamon and lemon juice. So super simple recipe. The reason why I like this is one, because it's not only gonna help trim down the waistline because you're eating bananas, which are high in fiber. People freak out about eating bananas, but I gotta tell you people, it's not the bananas that are making your waistline bigger. It's something else in the process of eating other things in your life. So you don't have to worry about the bananas. So we've got bananas, tons of fiber. Turmeric actually helps with anti-inflammatory properties, reduces free radical damage. We've got cinnamon, which we always know helps regulate the blood sugar, and lemon juice. Now, the combination of all these together is not only gonna boost each individual ingredient, but give you more of a powerhouse of a punch when it comes to these spices. So really easy, as all of my recipes are, because I don't like to get overcomplicated with things. All we're doing, cutting up the banana, throwing it in this tin pan right here, dusting it, giving it a little bit of lemon juice, and that's it. So this is what it looks like. Beautiful when it's not cooked, because you're like, wow, that looks like you didn't cook it. It's because it didn't yet. So here we go. What we're doing, super simple. You're gonna cut the banana, but what I want to let you know is they have to be pretty thin. If they're not thin, it's gonna be really difficult to cook and they're gonna be mushy and kind of funky. They're still gonna taste good, but aesthetically, they're not gonna look as nice. So when you're cutting this, I always make sure to roll my fingertips back too, because I've cut off my fingertip a couple times cutting. And you definitely do not wanna do that, especially with paper thin slices like this. So as you're cutting, you wanna make sure that they're relatively even and you kind of give them a little bit of a curve. It helps them set lower on the actual pan. So cutting these up, super simple. We'll leave these here. And as you can notice, I didn't say any measurements here because I just dumped a lot of these spices in because you're going to be using it over top of your hands. You just need one lemon, okay? So just cutting this up, okay? As you cut this, you can cut the edge off and then just squeeze the entire lemon in and try to get it actually inside the dish, because I often squirt everything around me and never get anything in the dish. So let's make sure we do that. And you're just using one banana. If you use two, that's fine. You just have to push them a little bit closer onto the pan. So we're just gonna use one banana for now. So super simple, I'm gonna push this forward. All you're doing is laying the banana so that it has enough room to actually be on the pan. As you can see, I already dusted the other ones. Laying this down, and I wouldn't cram it against the side. So you see that kind of lifts up a little bit. Part of the reason why these cook so well is because they're flat on the pan. So you could cut it so you have a little bit of room, but I would say, you don't need to actually jam all of these in there. So once you do that, just gonna get a little bit of this lemon juice. This actually helps the spices adhere to the banana a little bit better, and using this citrus really gives you a nice bright punch to this, because these are a little bit heavier spices, so you want to kind of brighten it up with that lemon taste, and also it helps just activate these spices a little bit more. So you can do one of two things. You can have one side be sweet and one side be savory, so meaning one side you put the cinnamon, one side you just put the turmeric, or you can mix it. I like to mix it because I like the taste all together. So you just sprinkling this on. I am a cinnamon lover, so I'm gonna do a little bit more cinnamon. And that's it, super simple. So after you cut this up, this is on a wax or parchment paper. You're gonna put it in the oven for an hour at 250. Now, when you do this, you're gonna watch it because it's gonna be brown because you've got these spices on it, but what you wanna do is make sure you check it, because if they're gonna be soft, you might wanna flip them over and put them in again for like another hour or 30 minutes and just check on, make sure that it's not gonna burn. Once you bring them out, you can put all kinds of crazy spices on them too. So you can use black pepper, which helps activate the turmeric and helps absorption in your body. You can do a little bit of sea salt. Really, this recipe is really versatile, so you don't have to worry about messing it up. So let's go ahead, throw this in the oven. We'll pull it out and see what it looks like. All right, so these have been in the oven for a while, so we're gonna go ahead and grab them out and we'll see what they look like. So let's do it. Probably pretty hot, so be careful when you're opening this up and you're grabbing it, pulling them out, and we magically have banana chips, which are awesome. So I'm gonna try one of these. Ow, kind of hot, so be careful. So maybe not try them yet. What I love about this recipe is we get the crust of some of the lemon juice, we get the mix of the spices. It's delicious. I love it. It's easy. My kids love it. My husband's probably gonna eat the entire tray just like he ate all of the granola. So I am going to try these, but not right now. But the nice thing is you can leave these out. These will definitely be crispy when you leave them out for maybe 45 minutes, and then you can store them for a couple weeks in an airtight container. Use them as a snack, use them as something sweet at night to help you actually sleep, because it has those anti-inflammatory properties. So for more awesome recipes, make sure you check out the YouTube channel. You are here, check out all the workouts, all the recipes, and I will see you guys on the next one.